Okay, welcome to my YouTube video. Hopefully this intro will work this time. I had a few gremlins on the last one, don't know why, but things happen. This is an old permission. I have done it to death. Hopefully there's still stuff to be found on here. I've got a quick couple of hours now, so fingers crossed. So hopefully I'll see you on the first. Okay, it's out. Okay, little button. That took some finding. Okay. Okay, so I open my mountain permission. Some nice little ruins here. You can see there, that's the first house. Then it goes down a little platform down there, and there's a little outbuilding right there, and going down to the bottom layer where there's another little house there. Nice little views. So basically the stuff that's been coming up here has been around about 12th, 13th century, as well as Victorian on this side. The lower part of the field has been stuff coming up around 1940s, as used to have a gun mounted up on the hills in the war. So a lot of stuff finding out from that side of it. But this is the interesting field, but it's hardly stuff coming up, just a few pieces here and there. Best thing I've found so far is a pilgrim's badge. That was dated 12th, 13th century, which I'll put a pic up after this. But even so, if you don't find anything, I mean, it's just stunning around here. Okay, there's been many holes today, but this one's coming up at 18. Going to the car shortly, so see it. It's a button. Well. Okay, let's move on. Okay, I'm getting a signal, it's all over the place. Goes from 13 to 19 to 20. Okay, let's see what it is. Only just been loads of junk coming up in here, so there's a buckle. And what is that? Okay, it's very interesting. Okay, I should clean it up and leave a picture on straight after this.